This is a wireless CarPlay that works in any car. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up because all you have to do is stick it on your dash and plug it into a cigarette lighter. Connects right to your car's speakers either through Bluetooth, FM transmit, or aux. Works for Apple and Android, and one of my favorite parts, you can screen mirror your phone to watch your favorite movies, Netflix, and YouTube. You can also add and remove apps, so any music or map app that you have on your phone will automatically show up on here. But my favorite part, it's got built-in hands-free Siri, so I can do literally everything with my voice, and not to mention it also comes with a backup camera. The craziest part, these are normally $120, but right now you can get it for less than $40 just by clicking the link right there.